how to set different notifications for different apps on your Samsung phone. So first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on notifications. In here go down and tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down and from here tap on manage notification categories for each app. Tap on the toggle button and make sure it is turned on. So switch it on. Then we go back. So tap on the back key and go back to settings. Now in here to manage each app notifications, we scroll down and tap on apps. And from the list of available apps, select an app that you want to set a unique or a different notifications. So let's say from calendar, so tap on calendar. So in calendars, we tap on notifications. Then we scroll down and tap on notification categories. And here you can choose general notifications and then tap on sound. And from here, you can choose a unique sound. So instead of selecting a default sound, we can now set a unique sound. Okay, so we can select a unique sound for calendar. You can also perform other settings as well, such as changing the vibration, turn on alert, or set it to silent. And you can choose what to show on the lock screen. Okay, so that is a unique settings just for the calendar. Here we go back and let's say we want to change notifications for a different app. Let's say we go down and tap on Gmail. Here I can tap on notifications. At the moment it is turned off, so I can switch it on. And then scroll down and tap on notification categories. In here we go to say allow notifications, and then we've got miscellaneous or attachments or mail. So we tap on mail, and from here we tap on sound. Now at the moment it is set to the default sound. So we go down and we choose a different sound. Here I will select arrow or different sound. Then tap on the back key. So this specific notification sound only set to the mail app. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.